The United States Army has unveiled a groundbreaking upgrade to its formidable AH-64 Apache attack helicopter, a move that has been eagerly anticipated by military experts and aviation enthusiasts alike. This upgrade marks a significant leap forward in aerial warfare capabilities, setting a new standard for attack helicopters worldwide. The Apache has long been a symbol of American military prowess, and this modernization ensures it remains at the forefront of combat aviation. This long-awaited modernization program breathes new life into the legendary Apache, incorporating state-of-the-art technology and advanced weaponry. The enhancements include improved avionics, more powerful engines, and upgraded defensive systems, making the Apache more versatile and deadly than ever before. These upgrades solidify its position as a force to be reckoned with on the modern battlefield. The Apache's ability to provide close air support, engage enemy armor, and perform reconnaissance missions is now unmatched, ensuring it remains a critical asset in any military operation. The new Apache is a clear response to Russia's growing military might. As global tensions rise, the need for superior air power becomes increasingly important. The Apache's enhancements are designed to counter any potential threats, particularly from adversaries with advanced military capabilities. This upgraded Apache, dubbed the Guardian by some, boasts a suite of cutting-edge technologies designed to enhance its lethality, survivability, and overall combat effectiveness. The integration of advanced radar systems, precision-guided munitions, and enhanced communication tools ensures that the Apache can operate effectively in any combat environment. With these enhancements, the Apache is poised to dominate the skies for decades to come. Its improved maneuverability and increased firepower make it a formidable opponent in any aerial engagement. The Apache's ability to adapt to various combat scenarios, from urban warfare to open-field battles, ensures its continued relevance on the battlefield. Outmatching any potential adversary, including Russia's aging fleet of attack helicopters, the Apache stands as a testament to American innovation and military strength. As the world enters a new era of aerial combat, the AH-64 Apache remains a dominant force, ready to face any challenge that comes its way. At the heart of this modernization program lies a powerful new engine, providing the Apache with unmatched speed, agility, and range. This engine is a marvel of engineering, designed to deliver peak performance under the most demanding conditions. It not only enhances the helicopter's overall capabilities, but also ensures reliability and durability in the field. This enhanced power plant enables the helicopter to operate more effectively in high-altitude environments, a crucial advantage in mountainous regions like Afghanistan. The ability to maintain performance at high altitudes means that the Apache can support missions in areas where other helicopters might struggle, providing critical support to ground forces in challenging terrains. Beyond its raw power, the upgraded Apache also boasts a state-of-the-art avionics suite, including advanced sensors, communication systems, and targeting computers. These systems work in harmony to provide the pilot with a comprehensive view of the battlefield, enhancing both offensive and defensive capabilities. The integration of cutting-edge technology ensures that the Apache remains at the forefront of modern warfare. The Apache's targeting systems are now more precise than ever. With the latest advancements in targeting technology, pilots can lock onto enemy targets with incredible accuracy, even in adverse weather conditions or during night operations. This precision reduces the risk of collateral damage and increases mission success rates. These improvements provide pilots with unparalleled situational awareness, allowing them to detect, track, and engage enemy targets with pinpoint accuracy. The enhanced situational awareness systems give pilots a real-time understanding of their surroundings, enabling them to make informed decisions quickly. This capability is crucial in dynamic combat environments where split-second decisions can mean the difference between success and failure. The Apache's arsenal has also received a significant upgrade. The helicopter can now carry more Hellfire missiles than before. The latest generation of Hellfire missiles extends the Apache's reach and lethality, enabling it to eliminate enemy tanks, armored vehicles, and other high-value targets from greater distances. Furthermore, the upgraded Apache is equipped with an improved 30mm chain gun, capable of delivering a blistering rate of fire with enhanced accuracy. This formidable weapon system provides the Apache with devastating firepower against a wide range of targets, from enemy infantry to light vehicles. A shield in the sky advanced defensive systems The Apache helicopter, a marvel of modern military engineering, is equipped with some of the most sophisticated defensive technologies available today. Recognizing the increasing sophistication of modern air defense systems, the U.S. Army has also prioritized the Apache's survivability. This means that the Apache is not just an offensive weapon, but also a highly resilient defensive platform. The upgraded helicopter is equipped with advanced radar warning receivers, missile jammers, and chaff flare dispensers. These systems work in unison to create a formidable shield against a variety of threats, providing it with a multi-layered defense against enemy threats. Each layer is designed to counter specific types of attacks, ensuring that the Apache can operate safely in hostile environments. These defensive systems are designed to detect, deceive, and defeat incoming missiles and anti-aircraft artillery. The radar warning receivers alert the pilot to incoming threats, while the missile jammers and chaff flare dispensers work to mislead and neutralize those threats, ensuring the Apache's survival in even the most contested airspace. The ability to perform evasive maneuvers while deploying countermeasures makes the Apache a difficult target for enemy forces. The enhancements make the Apache more survivable against man-portable air defense systems. These portable systems are a significant threat on the modern battlefield, but the Apache's advanced defenses provide a critical edge. Russian helicopters are vulnerable to such systems. Unlike the Apache, they lack the same level of sophisticated defensive technology, making them easier targets in combat scenarios. The Russian response playing catch-up. The unveiling of the upgraded Apache sends a clear message to Russia and other potential adversaries. The United States remains committed to maintaining its technological edge in military aviation. Russia will likely attempt to counter the upgraded Apache. Russia's aging fleet of Mi-24 Hind and Mi-28 Havoc attack helicopters, while still formidable, lacks the advanced technology and capabilities of the modernized Apache. The Kremlin will likely accelerate its own helicopter modernization programs in an attempt to close the capability gap, but it faces an uphill battle. A legacy of battlefield supremacy. The AH-64 Apache has a long and storied history of battlefield dominance. Since its introduction in the 1980s, the Apache has proven itself time and again in conflicts around the globe, from the deserts of Iraq to the mountains of Afghanistan. Its combination of firepower, agility, and survivability has made it an indispensable asset to ground forces, providing close air support, reconnaissance, and anti-tank capabilities. The Apache played a key role in the Gulf War, decimating Iraqi tanks and armored vehicles. The future of aerial warfare. The upgraded AH-64 Apache represents a major milestone in the evolution of rotary wing aviation. Its advanced technologies and capabilities set a new standard for attack helicopters worldwide, ensuring that the Apache remains a dominant force on the battlefield for decades to come. As the nature of warfare continues to evolve, the U.S. Army's commitment to modernizing its fleet of Apaches sends a clear message. The United States will spare no effort in maintaining its technological superiority and ensuring the safety and security of its troops.